Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare brinjal and potato bhaji. I am going to use black cumin seeds, which is also known as kalonji, salt as per our taste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder if you want your bhaji to be little spicy. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon. You can also reduce the amount of this. I'm adding potatoes, 4 medium-sized potatoes cut into small cubes. These are 2 medium-sized brinjals or eggplant. I have cut them into small cubes. And I'll be also using 2 dried red chilies and oil for frying. I'm going to use mustard oil. You can use any other oil that you want or you use. So now let's get started. The first step that we are going to do is we are going to fry the potatoes because eggplant needs very less time to get cooked. So we will fry the potatoes. So let's get started. Let's heat the oil first. So here I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I will add these potatoes to the oil. I have lowered the flame. Now I will fry these potatoes till they are fried nicely, turns nice golden brown in color and it becomes slightly cooked. So I am going to do this on a medium flame. Now our potatoes are fried. They are cooked also, as you can see easily. Now what I am going to add, I am going to add the black cumin seeds, that is kalonji in Hindi, 1/4 teaspoon, and 2 dried red chili. Mix it. This is the time when I am going to add the brinjal or the eggplant to this recipe. Mix it nicely. Now add salt as per our taste. Remember, once the brinjals get cooked, they will reduce in size, so be careful while adding salt. Then I'm going to add the turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. And finally the red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Now mix everything. this is bhaji, so we are not going to add any water to this. But our brinjal needs to get cooked, so just cover this for some time and on a medium flame let it get cooked for near about 3 minutes. Now it's been 3 minutes since I have covered this, so now I will remove the lid. As you can see, our brinjals have changed its color. So now I will open this lid and I am going to cook like this. Increase the flame. I'll fry till it gets completely cooked and all the spices get blended to it nicely. So here is our brinjal and potato fry, that is bhaji, ready. Potatoes are cooked well, brinjals are also cooked well and merged nicely. So I will put off the flame, it's done, and I'll transfer it to another bowl. So here is our brinjal and potato fry. Brinjal and potato bhaji is ready. Very easy to prepare and it can be prepared in minutes. I hope you liked this simple and easy recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.